Hi, it's Birdie. Welcome or welcome back. Today we have a grocery haul to show you and a garden update. Be sure to stay tuned next week for all of the meals we'll make with the food. This is a Whole Foods grocery haul. It's sort of we were in the area for something else and decided spur of the moment to run in. But I had sort of a plan when I realized where we were going to be. And my focus was health, but you'll see how that fell apart. I have some Butterhead lettuce, Chesapeake Crunch lettuce, some organic strawberries, purple sweet potatoes, zucchini, asparagus, kiwi. Pappy picked out the kiwi, and I picked out those other things. I have this interesting pecan smoked turkey breast thick slice and farmhouse roasted. And this was pricey. I thought this was on sale, but I don't see it on the receipt. But my thoughts for this were snacks with cheese, a slice of turkey, and a slice of cheese snack. So however many slices here each for us, that's a lot of snacks. So not happy that I mistakenly thought it was on sale, but life goes on. I found this cottage cheese. This Good Culture is my favorite, and the green one is my absolute favorite, and it was pricey, but I haven't been able to find cottage cheese I like anywhere. I used to just like the Wise quality cottage cheese, and they're not making it. It's not there anymore. Months and months have gone by, so I don't know about that. So I got this for a treat for me, and I got this Greek yogurt, just plain to have in smoothies or with berries. Some hard cooked eggs. Yes, I can hard cook my own, but there's stuff coming up. I thought I'd just grab some for an easy snack. The Whole Foods brand pasture raised eggs. Got that. Some organic flaxseed. I had some in the fridge. It was pushed to the back, it was almost gone, and it was several months past, so I don't know if that can go rancid in the fridge, but it was like 5 months past the date, and I should be putting that in my smoothies when I make them, and in oatmeal and things like that. So I'm going to put it in the front of the fridge instead of the back. We'll see how that works. I got some quinoa for some whole grains. And this says it's washed and rinsed, and I know it can be bitter and unappealing, but I figured that would make it better. And then Pappy picked out these dry roasted peanuts, and he picked out this A2 organic chocolate milk. He likes chocolate milk with whole milk. He doesn't like it when it's watery milk, he says, the 2% or low fat. And he picked out this chocolate bar. I guess he thinks the same thing I do. If there's hazelnuts in it, it makes it okay. And also chocolate chip cookies. He picked those out too. So what are you gonna do? And I'll give you another look here. And I'll talk more about the reasons for some of these things here when I make some meals, so I don't bore you all now with all the explanations. And we'll look at the receipt. The pricey receipt. They joke that Whole Foods means whole paycheck. Well, not quite, but it is pricey. It's $100 for one trip. But in the whole scheme of things, with my goals for our grocery budget this year, I will just rein in next week. And in no time, we'll be back on track. And we'll really make headway this summer, I hope, with the garden. There's our little trim seedlings, onions. I'm getting ready to clean my scissors. I have some alcohol here. I have it in a spray bottle. I'm going to trim my onions back, my little seedlings, and I want to make sure there's nothing bad on my scissors. Plus, they need to be super sharp so they don't bruise the little seedlings, and if there's anything sticky, this will help get it off. This is also good to do in the garden between cutting plants. That way you don't spread any disease. I just take my little bottle out with me in the summertime during harvest or pruning, and I can give them a spritz between plants. I'm just going to trim to 3 inches so they don't flop over. They're looking pretty good. We definitely have peas. Spring onions. There's a bean, a volunteer. He'll have to come out of there. He's not in the right spot. I'll be able to take this cover off here pretty soon. Four out of my 5 nasturtiums have germinated and are growing pretty well. A look at the garden this morning. It looks like all of my carrots are up.